Good afternoon students. Today our topic is line graph. Okay. Now first question is, what is a line graph? The line graph, like you have bar graph, it is going to represent some information based like rectangular bars. Okay. But in line graphs, what is happening? You have to represent your data through points, and these points are joined to each other through straight lines. Okay. So when, in what basis you are using, why you are using this line graph? See, line graph is actually used to show the information that changes over time. Okay, like for example, here I have taken example for tickets sold in 4 weeks. Okay, so how what is the change from first week to fourth week? You see, first week only 75 tickets were sold. On the second week 100 tickets were sold, third week 250 tickets were sold, and fourth week 200 tickets were sold. So you have to show these ups and downs through this line graphs, and you can show it also very easily. Okay, so first you have to remember the various parts of a line graph. So we have title, label, scales, points and lines. These are the 5 important parts of a line graph that you have to remember. Okay, these are the 5 equal parts of a line graph. Now, like for example, I have drawn like you were doing a vertical axis and a horizontal axis. In case of bar graph, the similarly you have to do it here. Horizontal axis, x-axis I have drawn, y-axis. Okay, and the origin O is there, the meeting point of both the axes. Okay, now you have to do the labelings. So I have used x-axis for weeks. So this is the label, and this is the tickets is the label for vertical axis. Okay, so title is what? Tickets sold. So very short title you have to give. Okay, so next is scales. So you have to see the vertical axis, what scale it is using, that you have to mention. So scale you will write in the right top right corner. Scale for y-axis is 1 centimeter equal to, we are taking 50. Okay, so it is 50 what? 50 tickets. So you have to mention this. This is the scale which we have made. Now the next thing is you have to mark out plot the points. Like in the first case, you see first week 75. 75 will come in between of 150. So this is the point which I have marked here. Now second week it is 100 tickets were sold. So this is 100 and this is the second week. So I have marked here. Okay. Now we have to mark for the third week. Third week it is 250. 250. Use a scale for marking the points. Like I have here. Okay. This is roughly I have given the point. Okay, it will come somewhere here. You can see how I am marking the point. You can see. Means the joining of 2 lines from here to here. If possible, make the dot lines like this. Otherwise, make dotted lines like this so that you will not face any problem. It's also okay. So this is not the and later on you will even rub these lines. Okay, using your eraser you will rub the lines because it's not required. Okay. After plotting the third week value, now we will plot the fourth week value. The fourth week is how much? It is 200. Okay, it is 200. So how will you mark 200? 200 will come in this. Okay, so use your scale again. Here, so this is my 200. Okay, now after I have put the points, now the time is to join these points together. Okay, we will use straight lines to join these points. So the first 2 points I am joining it here. You can see. Now the second and third point you will join. And then you will join the third and fourth point. So in this way we have made the complete line graph. Okay. So we have these are the points which we have marked and the lines also joining the points. So this completes our line graph. Now let us do the question from exercise 16D. This is given to you. This is a line graph which is given below and shows the sale of rice in kg in the first week of April. Observe it and answer the questions given below. So here we have, this is the line graph which is there. So here the name of the weeks it is there, Sunday, Monday. This is the first week of April. From Sunday to Saturday it is written, and the quantity of rice which is sold in each of these days is mentioned very clearly. Okay, and you have to plot, like on Sunday 70 kg rice were sold, Monday 30 kg, Tuesday 50 kg, Wednesday again 50 kg, Thursday 40, Friday 50, and Saturday you have 60 kg rice that was sold. Now after plotting these points, okay, so we will join it by lines. Okay, now this is the graph which you have to, based on this line graph, you have to answer the questions. On which day was the sale of rice the maximum? As you can see, this has gone to the highest point, that was on Sunday. So the answer will be Sunday for this question. Now let us come to the next question. On which 2 days was the sale same? As you can see, there is uniformity, one straight line it is showing between Tuesday and Wednesday, that is for the same 50 kg weight. So it will be Tuesday and Wednesday. It is asking on which 2 days there was the sale same. So it will be Tuesday and Wednesday. The next question is on which day was the sale minimum? As you can see for this question, the lowest point is here. This is on Monday, that is 30 kg. The lowest point, as you can see, this is on Monday. Okay, 30 kg. So the answer is Monday. Okay, so this is how you can solve different questions of line graph. Thank you.